Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the Cheelee app, a platform that claims to let you watch videos and earn money. Yes, just by scrolling. Sounds too good to be true, right? Let's break it down and see if Cheelee is legit or just another digital trap. According to its official website, Cheelee is a Web3 video platform where users get rewarded for watching content. You can earn tokens, purchase NFT glasses, and potentially generate real income by simply engaging with the app. It's gamified, flashy, and definitely grabs attention in the earn while scrolling trend. Now let's get real. On Trustpilot, Cheelee holds a 2.8 star rating from 310 reviews, and over half, or 52%, are 1 star. That's a big red flag. Here's what people are saying. Users report account suspensions, login failures, and missing tokens. One user said their account was suspended just days after buying NFT glasses without clear explanation. Unpaid salaries, investment warnings, positive notes. A few users do say they've earned money, and some love the interface and speed. One even called it a money-making machine, but these reviews are definitely in the minority. So, is Cheelee legit? Technically, it works, but with frequent account issues, missing funds, and serious accusations, you should proceed with extreme caution. If you've tempted to join, don't invest more than what you can afford to lose. And be wary of putting money into NFTs or premium features until the platform proves more reliable. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on personal research and user feedback as of 2025. Share your experience below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews you can trust.